Namaste. Hello. I'm Samit from Akshobhya Foundation. What is death? Why do we fear death? And what happens when we die? It's a brilliant question that we are supposed to think on. Most of the times we think that death is simply losing the body. The most fundamental and the deepest level is that during death or the death is a process of losing your memory. On what authority do I say this? If there are past lives, you would remember anything that had happened in your past life right now. If you do not think there is past life, then if there is God who is creating us, then you will remember that God is there and God is everything that is there and how you were with God, and now all of a sudden it has become far away and now you don't remember anything. It simply means you do not remember anything when there was no body, and slowly you accumulated all these memories after you got a body. From the baby till now, whatever you have acquired memory is what you are. Death is simply a process of destruction of memory. Memory about yourself, what you think yourself is actually a bundle of memory. So watch my video on ego and watch my video on who am I. You will get more clarity on this. The links are in description. So death is a process of destruction of memory. Why do we fear death? Because it is something unknown to us. Take a small example. Whatever amenities that are there now, that house, lighting, facility, everything that is there now, all of a sudden if I kidnap you and throw you inside a forest, and it is thick dark forest without no entry, no exit, you don't know where you are in the middle of the jungle, aren't you scared of what will happen? Simply this, death is something unknown to you. You don't know what is going to happen. Most of the times, confidence is only on the memory. You are only confident in only thing that you know about. Say a particular problem is given to you. If you know how to solve it based on the past memory that you have, past instances, you are confident to face and break these problems. If you don't know the situation at all, and if it is a totally new situation, you are scared. You will obviously be scared because you don't know what to do about it. So your confidence is on the memory. Basically, whatever you say has, death is the destruction of these memory. The memory of you, yourself, your loved ones, whatever you think that is you and makes a part of you, has a life, will simply dissolve. So this is basically death. And death is basically clubbed with pain. As you all know, anything that is painful is scary. You don't want pain. All our motives and whatever the task we are doing, the motive behind it is just one. It should lead us to happiness, comfort, pleasure. We want to mitigate pain as much as possible. If death was a process that would give you immense pleasure, I really think nobody would be scared of death. Everybody would love to die because it gives you that much of pleasure. But death is painful because there is no memory about it. Your memory destroys and it is painful. That is why you feel that death is very scary. You are scared of death only for this reason. Now, to face death, you need to know yourself. Your confidence from the memory has to shift to yourself. When I say self, don't club it to the memory that you are, who you are as a name, the body, the mind, the emotion. No, I'm not talking about this. I am talking about is yourself, the self. Once your memory or your confidence is on this self, you are no longer scared of anything because you have what it takes, or you are what you are. Nothing changes about you and nothing gets destroyed about you. To know yourself, you need to know meditation. Let me help you know yourself and face every instances of your life fearlessly with courage. Log on to www.akshobhyafoundation.com. Let's meditate together and let's peace out. Thank you.